Welcome back, boys and girls. Today's read aloud is another life cycle book. So far, we've read the butterfly life cycle as well as the sunflower life cycle. Today, we're going to read the frog life cycle. I'm really excited about this story because we see so many frogs during the summertime. So it's really fun to be able to see how they actually progress through their life cycle. I hope you enjoy. Frog Life Cycle by Chelsea Donaldson. Before we get started, we have a few words we need to know the meanings of to understand this book completely. The first word is egg. Egg is what a tadpole comes out of. The next word is female. Female is another word for girl. The third word is froglet. A froglet is a young frog. The next word is gills. Gills are the parts of a tadpole that breathe underwater. The next word is hatch. Hatch means to break open or come out of an egg. The next word is male. Male is another word for boy. The next word is a big one. This one is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a big change that some animals go through to become adults. Our final word is tadpole. Tadpole is a creature that turns into a young frog. Let's look at frogs. In the spring, male frogs gather at ponds. They croak to attract female frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. At long last, female frogs arrive. The females lay eggs in the water. Let's look at those eggs. The mother frog lays lots of eggs. The eggs are covered in jelly so they stick together. Inside each egg is a squirmy tadpole. The tadpole starts as a tiny black dot. Soon, the egg hatches and a baby tadpole comes out. Let's look at a tadpole. A baby tadpole has gills and a tail. Gills are made for breathing underwater. The tail helps the tadpole to swim. At first, the baby tadpole lives only in the water. After 6 weeks, it starts to change. Let's look at that tadpole. First, the tadpole grows back legs. Then its gills disappear. Then it grows front legs. Its tail gets shorter. Soon, the tadpole changes into a froglet. Let's look at a froglet. There's that big word on this page again, metamorphosis. Once again, metamorphosis means a big change. Some animals go through this to become adults. Now, the froglet must learn to live on land. Watch its long, sticky tongue. Snap! It caught a juicy fly. All summer, the froglet eats and grows. In the fall, it loses its tail. Now it is a full-grown frog. Let's look at the frog. Full-grown frogs have strong back legs and webbed feet. Its legs let it jump far and high. Its webbed feet help it to swim fast. At 3 years old, the frog is ready to mate. It returns to the pond. Ribbit, ribbit. Once again, the pond will fill up with frog eggs. Let's look at what we found out about frogs. Frogs start as eggs floating in a pond, turn into squirmy tadpoles that live in water, grow legs and start to breathe air, change into froglets that leave the water, become full-grown frogs. Isn't it amazing to learn about frogs? Hi, boys and girls. I hope you had a great time listening to our read aloud of the frog life cycle. The next time you see a frog, see if you can remember the stages that it goes through to become its full-grown adult self. Come back next time.